there's two classes that I think are really important. One of them is the elements of design class, because I think that as being the kind of design faculty chair, I think understanding the conversation of design and what design is, for a lot of people, it's like putting on special glasses that allow you to see the world in a different way. I think we all know what design is, but I don't think we really understand how that plays a role in our lives. And I think that that's probably the most kind of important class to take. Secondly, I'm going to self-serve and say the architectural styles class is great, but I think that's an advanced level class. I think that's for somebody that has been in the industry for a while, or is in the process of understanding where they're going to maybe aspire to, because it's also a special pair of glasses that you see the world in, and it gives you an understanding of like, hey, I'm going to work with this particular client, this particular element, and I want these things to be simpatico.